So here we are at the NVIDIA booth, and this is really the talk of the show, the GPU technology. And I'm here with Andy Keane of NVIDIA, and he's going to talk to us about a couple of the exciting things that have been going on. Andy?
Excellent. Thank you, Doug. So we're going to show you several things around the booth. This is actually a workstation where we're running several biophysics codes. This is actually NAMD, and this is actually developed at University of Illinois, and we're actually running in a very special way. This is one workstation running two operating systems and showing both sides of molecular dynamics. On this side we have Linux, and this is the NAMD portion, and it's actually running a simulation. And on this side we're actually running VMD on the visualization. This is actually running Windows. We have two GPUs in the system. One GPU is controlling the processing on Linux, and the other is the visualization on Windows. What we've also done is we've actually hooked it to 3D glasses that are actually in retail now. This is another NVIDIA product, and you can put them on, and actually now at your workstation you can view the molecule and manipulate the results in 3D. So this is a kind of a very, very dense way of, and very highly efficient way of working with molecular dynamics. Again, computing and visualization in the same workstation. So here we are at another one of the technologies that we're showing in the booth at NVIDIA. This is a technology that we call Reality Server, and this is a framework for the 3D web. So this is a developer tool that operates on in the data center, and it actually provides a framework for 3D web designers to design websites in 3D. We're actually showing on this this pod one of the applications that runs on top of Reality Server. And Reality Server serves up these 3D objects. It can actually serve out to the web in JPEG, and it's actually in this form. So let me talk through the demo a little bit. What we're showing here is a ray tracing demo, and the application is called iRay, sits on top of Reality Server. And we have a room, and we're actually rendering in the cloud. We're actually rendering back at our NVIDIA office in California, and we're serving that up to, we're serving it up through a netbook. We can also serve this to almost any device that can access the web. You could use your iPhone, you could use your standard notebook, and here we're showing it on a netbook. And here we're showing a ray tracing demo where we have this very realistic looking image, and we've told the cloud to render it, we've told our servers to render it, and it's now serving up this 3D experience. And what's special about this is you don't need to know any programming. You don't need any low-level programming. Web programmers can now do 3D on the web. This is the final demo I'm going to show you in the NVIDIA booth, and this is a brand new technology we launched at the GPU Tech Conference in August, and this is the Fermi GPU. We launched the Tesla products this week, so the board level and the system level products as well. So we're showing this is the board level product. It's actually installed in a workstation. Fermi is a brand new GPU, has a lot of features for high performance computing. We completely redesigned the GPU from our prior generations to include a lot of features for high performance computing. A lot more double precision, ECC, a lot of changes inside the GPU to expand kind of the number of applications that really run well on the GPU. So here we're looking at an n-body code running in double precision, and so running at a very, very high frame rate. And we have n-body running here, Amber running on the end. So it's a very significant technology for us, and we've launched it. And it's really much anticipated, I think, in this community.
Right, and I understand there's some kind of trade-up program you have.
Yes, thank you for mentioning that.
Comes out for, in mass quantity.
So this quarter, we're running a promotion we call Mad Science, and this is taking the science you have and making it mad science through Fermi. Kind of a very good promotion name. And so for our board level product, we have what's called a no penalty upgrade. So you can start your work on the current 10 series products we have today, and then have a no penalty upgrade to Fermi. We also have promotions on our server level products, and through some of our partners on module level products as well.
So, and then this is actually running on Fermi. This
is running on Fermi, so this is the actual workstation card we have.
Right.
And that board on the bottom is actually a Fermi card.
Oh,
as well.
okay. So yeah, I was wondering when I'd start seeing the if Fermi's running things, and that's great. And anything else? I mean, that's a lot. I can see that your auditorium here is full, and I think it's been like that most of the show.
We've had overflow crowds almost all the time. We've had some really great speakers. Jeff Vedder from Oak Ridge, Jack Dungara, Satoshi Matsuoka, Bill Daly was here earlier today. So a lot of these leading speakers who've doing a lot of great work with GPUs and came here to share their work.
So, like, you guys sell these things called video cards too, don't you?
Yes, we do. You know, as much well as we've done in HPC, the video cards is really the kind of the soul of the company. We supply everything from the game enthusiasts all the way down to notebooks and handheld with our Tegra product, and so our business is really kind of quite broad, but we're using this basic massively parallel technology of the GPU to do some really great things in a lot of markets.
Well, it's a great model, a commodity model. So
yes,
and I'm looking forward to more stuff from NVIDIA as the year goes on. So
you know, it's going to happen every quarter.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Andy.
Thank you.
Hi. I have a question.
Sure.
How's this tip jar working out for you?
It's going very well,
Good.
actually.
You guys getting a lot of tips?
Yeah,
This is a new concept. I've.
It's not tips. It's actually, we're fundraising for charity.
Oh, it's for a charity. Wow.
So we're asking for a suggested $5 donation, and with that you get one of these Blinky badges. And the cool thing about it is that NVIDIA actually is matching every dollar that we raise. So all the
Wow.
money go to the Environmental Defense Fund.
Oh, great. That's a great cause. And here I thought you guys were, doing such a great job that people were throwing some money in as they went by. So maybe you ought to set up another jar. And so thank you for explaining that to me, and keep up the good work.
Thank you.